So if you're using the car a lot, it's always a good idea to make sure you keep your maintenance up to date. What we're gonna do here today is change the cabin filter. So it's easy in a Toyota. You just pull this out, bend this down, and right over here, you see. So you just press this one and take this one out. It's not that hard. And then you take the filter out. You can see how dirty it is because we travel a lot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one out. I'm gonna make sure I know which side to put. So alright, so I want to make sure the serial numbers match up, and it says it's up here, so you have to make sure it match up right there. So we're gonna take this nasty one, dirty ass F. Gonna put the new one. See here, you put it, push it like this. That's pretty much it. Put it back in and then make sure it's locked up there very good. Then unlock it like that. Make sure it's good. See, I'm gonna press this back and put it in. Put this one in so it helps to load on softly, and then close it. That's how you change a cabin filter in a Toyota 2021 Venza. Next, we're gonna change the engine air filters, which is a good idea. Always change it at least 15,000 miles or 20,000 miles, depending on where you are. So come on in. So what I just did is I just removed this clip that connects hold this bracket together. Then you slowly lift this up and then make sure you don't break the connection. Move it aside. This one is pretty hard one to take. Alright, so this is how it looks. Oh, this side is pretty dirty. See how dirty it is? So these things has to be prevented. So you can see this one actually done a good job because it was not gone through that. See that? Alright, so now I'm gonna make sure that's the way it came. So this one also made in USA. That's pretty nice. So we grab the new one. Check both sides, looking good. So make sure you just put it like that, and then you have to make sure these two clips back. You see that right here, and then hold it like this. Lock that. Unlock that and go wash your hands. That's how you change engine air filter. Also, I want to point that out. So when I went to take this to the Toyota, they told me only mechanics are certified to do that. It's a pretty hard thing to change it. I have been doing these changes for BMWs, Mercedes and Toyotas since I was a kid. I was laughing at him, but pretty easy thing. If you have a 2021 Toyota Venza, also in a RAV4 in 2020, it's a similar way. Do these things. This helps a lot because you can see we go through a lot of bugs, and you can see these things are in the filters. These are the things that need to be not going to the engine. If these things goes to the engine, it is pretty bad. Look at that. These are dead bugs in it. Awesome. Another secret when you have a Toyota is when you go to the setup, go to vehicle, go to maintenance. Now you can say, let's see, filters, where are you? Air filters. Now I can reset this. Yes. Cool. So now it will let me know when do I need to do the next air filter change. I would recommend to do it every 15,000 miles, or depending on how you drive. We drive a lot and we were not able to find any air filters or cabin filters specific for this car model, and I don't want to buy a cheap one. And also most of the Toyotas in small states like Vermont, Maine, so expensive comparing to San Francisco where we came from. So that was kind of a whoa situation. But use this method, this way you know how to track your car maintenance.